Welcome to a high-tech IT environment where human ingenuity meets advanced AI for your business. We offer comprehensive IT solutions, troubleshooting and maintaining your systems, resolving issues like viruses remotely. We provide desktop and laptop support, including hardware repairs, software installations, and OS upgrades. We provide professional network cabling and support, installing Ethernet Cat 5e/Cat 6 for 1 gigabit speeds, plus Wi-Fi and firewall setup. Our freelance admin support offers virtual assistance for data entry, email management, calendar scheduling, and report generation. Master computer basics with our training, covering booting up, file management, and internet navigation. Upgrade hardware with us, adding RAM or 1 terabyte SSDs to boost speed 5 times. We also install antivirus software. Improve efficiency with our mouse and keyboard skills tutorials, teaching hands-on navigation and shortcuts like Ctrl+C. We provide tailored Microsoft Office Suite training for Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, covering advanced features. Our services include PDF editing, merging, signing, and compressing files, perfect for business documents. Unleash your brand's potential with multimedia creations, including custom vector logos, print-ready flyers, business cards, and marketing videos. Boost your online presence with YouTube channel setup and optimization, plus Google Business Profile creation. Find us on social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X/Twitter. We offer fast, 100% remote, and flexible service. Our experienced professionals provide nationwide coverage throughout South Africa, ensuring reliable support for small businesses and individuals. Contact us today at 084-705-6344 for unparalleled IT solutions and services tailored to your needs.